Changing your payout method with Gulf International Bank Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Gulf International Bank Switzerland online banking portal using your credentials. Ensure that you are using a secure and private internet connection. Step 2. Navigate your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This area contains options related to your personal information and payout methods. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings section, find the option labeled payout methods or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the necessary details, review your changes carefully. Confirm the new payout method by clicking on the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your payout method with Gulf International Bank Switzerland. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.